Hello, this is Michael Jill, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the X52 mobile phone air cooler. I got this in AliExpress for $5.90, and I'll share the link, but here is the actual listing, and as you can see it comes in black and silver, right here on the bottom, black and silver, and it says 99 cents, but really that's just a welcome deal on your first order. But there are other places you can buy. This listing over here has a bunch of different models. This is the AL01 black, and this one does not have a battery. And it costs less. I think it's $4 altogether. But then there's the X52 and the X57. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is, but there is information down here showing all the differences, and I'll share a link to this as well. But if you want to pause and read, this is the X52 and this is the AL01. So I'm not sure what the difference is. Let's do a quick unboxing, and I'll share those links on the bottom. Let's do a quick unboxing to see what's going on in here. First, let's take a look at the box. Over here are the specifications, if you want to take a look. And this is what it says on the side. And this is on the other side. This is the black one. And yeah, not much other information here. Let's take a look. Okay, and we have the warranty card, I believe. This is the charger. As you can see, it's a USB 2.0A to micro. And it does use a micro charger over here, as you can see. So that's why it has a micro charger. It looks very nice, very similar to how it looks on the screen, and especially if you turn it on, you see it does have that blue glow, which is nice. Obviously it's not as vibrant as it shows in the description, but that's always how it is. When it's charging, it's going to have this red light on, and either it turns off or it turns green or something, but this is how it looks when it's charging. And you can also use it on power, I guess, like that, but there are 3 different modes. So if you press the button once, it turns on, press it again, turns higher, and press it the 3rd time, and it's the highest. And the air is actually being sucked in from here, and it's blowing out over here. And it looks nice. And let's go over some of the other physical features. First of all, it has a nice grill over here. Make sure you can't, I guess, put your finger inside, and a nice grill on the other side. Over here are little pieces of rubber. Yeah, little pieces of rubber. And it holds your phone in over here. There are little spots for your phone. Let's test out the size, I guess. Okay, it totally hangs on nicely. Yeah, it's stuck in there. And it holds this phone as well. So I guess you got a nice array of sizes. If the phone is very small, perhaps it'll be a problem, but most people's phones are definitely this wide, so you should be good. Let's talk about the actual sizing as far as inches goes, and it starts out on the bottom over here from 1 inch. It is about 3 and a little bit, I guess. This is where it is. When it is, I guess, extended, it is more. It's about, oh wow, it gets pretty big, 3.5 inches, and it starts at 2.5 inches. So it gets pretty big. That's nice. That means it could really hold possibly even a tablet, maybe a smaller tablet. But I think it's a really good device. And when you turn it on, you have those 3 speeds. I do feel the air coming out. It has a decent battery, I guess, inside for it to be able to push that hard. It says 3,000 milliamp hours, which is a nice amount. Let me check just to make sure. So it seems that the X57 has a Type-C interface, which is nice. Because that's my gripe with it, is that it's Type micro, and I prefer Type-C. It also has 600 RPMs when the X52 has less RPMs. Where does it say exactly how many RPMs it has? The X52 doesn't even say how many RPMs it is. I guess it's low. The battery on the is 300 milliamp hours, so not 3,000, 300. That's a big difference. I guess it could last for however long it lasts. I didn't test that out yet, but according to this one has much more of a battery. Okay, the X57 doesn't have a specification for a bigger battery, although I do assume it has one. In the pictures here, it says 300 milliamp hours. So, I mean, that's for the X52. So maybe it's for the X57 as well. Either way, if you are a gamer and you like to play games on your phone, or you're using it for heavy apps, and sometimes I am running the camera for a long time, and I know I'll be running the camera for a long time, So I would like to have something like this to keep it a little bit cooler while it's running. I would tell you that a very good move is to take the case off, and that will help a lot. Sometimes I even take the back cover off if the back cover comes off. And that's all I have to say about this cooler. I'm liking it. I think it was definitely worth the $6 that I paid. Have a great day.